The Science of Planting Seeds. Emma and her brother Max are going to learn how to plant seeds in their garden. They have all their materials ready: seeds, soil, water, and small pots. First, they pull out the weeds from the garden bed. It's important to keep the soil clean so that the new plants can grow better. Next, they fill the pots with soil and make small holes in the soil. Both Emma and Max try to make the holes the same size to ensure the seeds will grow well. Then, they place one seed into each hole and cover it lightly with soil. Together, Emma and Max carry the watering can and gently water the seeds. It is important to water the seeds regularly, but never too much or they might rot in their place from being too wet. Finally, they place the pots in a sunny spot where the seeds can get plenty of sunlight. Sunlight is a crucial for photosynthesis, the process plants use to make their food. After a few weeks, they see the first sprouts coming up. Emma and Max feel proud of their work and try to take good care of their plants every day. They learn that with proper care and patience, they can grow beautiful plants together.